How is pork jerky made? The main ingredient for making pork jerky is these lean cuts of meat. Workers will cut the pork into evenly thick slices. Then, they will place all the slices into a tumbling machine. A spoonful of secret marinade is added. The lid is closed. And after 10 to 20 minutes of tumbling, the pork is quickly marinated and colored. At this point, some pepper spice powder, breadcrumbs, and fish sauce are added to enhance the flavor. Workers manually mix everything evenly. Once mixed, the slices are spread out on bamboo mats. This allows the fragrance of the bamboo to infuse the jerky. The bamboo mats covered with meat slices are then sent into the oven. They are dried at 70 degrees Celsius. The rich sauce and the fresh scent of bamboo are absorbed and retained by the dried pork jerky. Workers will stack the finished jerky together and then cut them into 6 equal-sized pieces based on the required specifications. They are then put into the oven again to dry out any remaining moisture at high temperature. Any burnt parts are trimmed off, and just like that, the fresh snack is ready.